Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great week. I just wanted to send you a quick video to show you a new feature that we've just put into fitbox.iq all around website calendars and how you can use them now for trials, for events, for drop-ins of course, and for getting people to buy ongoing subscriptions. So let's take a look. So start by coming here to app and member settings, click on gym, and you'll notice there is a new section down the bottom here, website calendar, that has a generate embed code button. If you click that, you'll see a heap of options of how to create your website calendar. First one, decide whether you want it to open as a week view or day. The next is really good for events. So if you want it to load on a particular day because you're trying to get someone to buy an event on the 28th of August, simply put that in and it'll open up on that day. But for today, let's just make a standard one that'll default to the day that they press it. You can choose what classes you want to either include or exclude. Let's just do this. As well as that, you can choose which coaches you want to only show or to exclude. Or if you've got classes very early in the morning or late at night that you don't want shown in your calendar, you can use time here as well. Now, if we create our embed code there, we won't have a book button. But for this purposes, let's make a book capability. And instead of setting a price now, you can actually choose the memberships from your Fitbox IQ. So let's add in a trial. So it's very likely you would have a calendar just for the trial session. But for today, let's create one that has a drop-in, a trial, and a ongoing membership. And you'll see here the different types. We put a different suffix on as a guess of what you want, but if you want a different suffix to go on their name, you can just type it in here. This is what will appear in brackets after their name on the attendance list, so your coach knows that they are a new trial or a drop-in coming into the session. If you want them to accept extra T's and C's as well as the waiver, enter it in here. And you can also stop the booking on a time before the session or with only down to a certain amount of spots left as well. Now that's literally all you need to do. If you copy that embed code now and put it in your website, you'll be laughing. But let's just go through the process of that user by clicking open. So we can see it is opened up on today's date. We can see the two classes that I added in. If a user wanted to click book, they'll have the option of those three classes that I selected. So let's do a trial today. We can enter in our name and click on send code. And they can paste it in just here. They will then accept your waiver and any T's and C's that you've added, and also put in their health that will go through to the user. So they can enter in any allergies they've got, medical conditions, meds, or of course injuries. Now, if they were doing a paid subscription, this is where that they would put in their credit card and pay for the session. Now that user will get a notification in their email. You will get a notification as well as the coaches. But if we jump back now to our user, we'll see this person with the suffix that you've added has been added to the user list, and they will also be added to the attendance list for that session. Now, a couple of extra things that have been added. There's now a really cool conversion button. So if this user comes to class and now you want to convert them so that they have access to the app, we can simply click the conversion button and that will put them in pending and send them an invite to your gym so they can use the app. Now, a couple of really cool points on that. This now, the person that has been added, if you take away their subscription before you send the invitation, then they'll be asked what membership they want to buy. So a normal process could be that they attend the session and you remove the subscription and send them the conversion note as well. Other really cool things here in transactions, any transaction that occurs through that will also come through into your transaction list. So you'll see it here as a settlement as well. And that is everything. So please jump in now, create as many calendars as you want, and have fun. Cheers.